outside this courtroom is to determine how the extent of the cover-up. It's only a handful of us in that room, but you know what the stakes are. You understand what this is about. It's about you, it's about us, it's about the public's right to know. It's about the right to be able to speak freely without being put in prison and hounded and terrorized by the state.
The Iraq war, but there are two superpowers.
What happened to Navalny can happen to Julian and will happen to Julian if he is extradited.
What Julian Assange is being prosecuted for is exactly what journalists do around the world all the time. They receive classified information that's in the public interest and they publish it from their sources. What this means is that if Julian Assange is successfully extradited to the US, journalists the world over are going to have to watch their back. They're going to have to look over their shoulder because they're going to have to worry that they too could be next if they publish material that demonstrates serious human rights violations or accusations of alleged war crimes. They too will have to face the risk that they could be extradited to somewhere like the US or other countries to face nefarious prosecutions like this one. What I can say is that the case today will decide whether or not Julian Assange has a second appeal in the UK. And if that is successful, then it will probably proceed to further appeals. But even if Julian Assange's legal team are unsuccessful in the next couple of days, it's likely that the case will progress to the European Court of Human Rights. So it's very unlikely that he'll be extradited anytime in the immediate future. And his very important case will be able to proceed, and he'll be able to argue before future cases.